This website will pay me nearly $1,000 per single sale. And as you guys can see down here, it is indeed worldwide available and all countries are accepted. Today, guys, I have an awesome website to share with you that can earn you a lot of money online. And we will be combining this website with none other than Google.com. And by doing so, you'll be able to get paid in what will be nearly passive income doing nothing at all. It does not get any easier than that. With that being said, however, if some of you are interested in another way to get paid and you are looking for ones that don't require much work, then there's a perfect software for you in the description that you ought to check out. So make sure you don't miss out on it. And with all of that said, let's now get right into this video, guys. Today, as you've all heard me, I have a worldwide available strategy to show you, and by using a certain website with Google.com, you'll be able to earn a lot of money. So make sure you keep watching so you actually know how this works and how to set it up for yourselves. Anyways, the very first website I want to show you today is the same one you've all seen in the intro prior. It's this one right here called ClickMeter.com. This platform, I reckon 90% of you watching have never heard of before. And what this basically is a website that helps other websites make more money, to put it bluntly. The way they do that is by increasing sales through their ad revenue by increasing their conversion rate. And in exchange for all that, the website owner will pay them money, of course. And don't worry, guys, you don't need a site for this. It really does not matter what features it offers, since they won't be relevant for you. The only thing you want to keep in mind is that this website increases sales for website owners. That is the only really important part. When you come onto the platform, what you want to do now is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and then you want to click on Affiliate Program right here. So yes, we do indeed want to promote this website as an affiliate, and the amount of benefits that will get you is nearly infinite. To start things off, guys, when you come onto this page, you can see that they offer 90% commissions. These are some of the highest I've ever seen. So to say this website pays well is an understatement. So as you've heard me in the intro prior, you can earn nearly $1,000 per single sale, which you can see right here. So the first and obvious benefit to promoting this platform is the sheer amount of money you'll be able to earn. That, however, is far from the only benefit. Another important thing is the customers who want to use this website. Website owners, of course. Not only do they have money to spare, meaning that they will be a bit more willing to check out a site like this than your regular person, but they will also get benefit out of using this website. As I'm sure you remember, this platform allows websites to get more sales. And so a business owner, even though they'll be investing money into this platform, will actually get value out of doing just that. And that means it is far, far easier to convince them to pay this platform and thus make you money as an affiliate. This arguably being the biggest benefit for you guys. Normally, when you're promoting websites as an affiliate, the hardest part is actually getting sales. But if you have a platform like this that people actually will make money off of, that will make it so much easier to get more customers. And another benefit added to that is that when someone sees that they are making money from this site, they want to keep using this platform. And so if you refer someone to here and they keep using this for a longer period of time, that means you'll also be making money for the duration of the time they use this platform and keep paying them. In other words, you don't need to refer like thousands of people to make a lot of money. Merely referring like 10 people who use this website for like 3 months or so would suffice and would earn you quite a bit of cash. Last thing worth noting is that on this page, you can see right down here that this website does work worldwide, just like I promised you in the beginning. So to summarize, guys, you can earn a lot of money from this website thanks to the commissions, but also thanks to the fact that people will be a lot more willing to pay this website. And when they do, they will be very much willing to keep using it for a longer period and thus earn you more money. The only thing you would need now is a good traffic source. And later on, I will show you an exact way you can refer a lot of people to this platform. I will show you how you can easily find hundreds and thousands of people who own websites, so make sure you keep watching. For now, though, what I need you to do is sign up to this website as an affiliate. To do so, just click on this button right here. On the following page, you want to type in your username, password, and email address to sign up for free on this site. With that done, now that you've signed up to the platform, guys, the next important bit is the traffic. As I said before, I have a way you can easily find a lot of people who would need ClickMeter, and you would want to use Google.com to find those people. What you will now want to do might seem weird, so you want to think of some sort of business, and then a town, and then you want to type both of those in the search bar here. The type of business you think of can be any business out there, literally, and it could be located anywhere around the world, too. In my example, I just typed in Los Angeles Barbershop, and what you want to do now, guys, is come down here and then click on this button. This will now take you over to the actual map, and more importantly for you guys, you will be able to find websites to all of the businesses in the area you searched for. And I think you can now see why I said before that you can easily find hundreds, if not thousands, of people. Since you can search for any business located anywhere, that means that the amount of potential customers becomes nearly infinite. And most of these businesses, in my case barbershops, will have websites. And many of them won't be making that much money from their websites. As such, most of them would get a lot of value from ClickMeter.com and would actually be willing to check it out. What you now want to do, guys, is open up several websites from several different businesses and try to find their email address. The contact info is generally located at either the top or bottom of the page, and even though you can contact them via Twitter or Instagram, it is far better to do so through email. So try and find the email address first. If you can't, then you will of course have to contact them via social media. From here comes the really important part. Make sure that what you type in the message looks as professional as possible, guys. And what you will want to type in is basically something to promote ClickMeter. Tell them about how much money they can make from their website, and that if they want to make that money, they should check out this platform. The platform in question is, of course, ClickMeter.com. This process you will want to repeat for as many businesses as you can, and thanks to the fact that, as I said before, you'll be able to find so many people, it's bound that some of them will check out what you're promoting and actually make a purchase. Even if it's a tiny minority, that doesn't matter, because you'll be able to make a lot of money from just a few customers. Arguably, that's the best part about all of this.